How to earn 6 to 7 figures per year by becoming a social media influencer. Social media influencer. Content creators use social media platforms to create and share engaging content and build an audience. Once they've built the audience, they can monetize it through sponsorships, ads, or affiliate marketing. Growing a social media audience will also help with many of the side hustles on this list. For example, it's far easier to sell digital products, freelance services, or paid newsletter subscriptions if you have an existing audience to promote your idea to. Pros. Easy and free to start, just create an account on your chosen social platform. Diverse monetization options. Creative freedom and potential to post about topics you enjoy. Cons. Algorithm changes affect visibility. Platform dependency. Social sites like Facebook and Instagram can delete your page at any moment. Building an email list can reduce this by giving you a direct connection with your audience. Lots of competition in some niches from other content creators. How to start. First, think about what you want to talk about and then choose a platform that suits your skills and content type. The great thing about social media is that there are sites for every type of content. There's TikTok and YouTube for videos, Instagram for images, Threads or Twitter for text, or LinkedIn if you have a professional audience. Next, look at the type of content and growth strategies that work on your chosen platform and start to follow these best practices. You can start by starting a YouTube channel. Involves creating video content and publishing it on YouTube. It's ideal for charismatic individuals who enjoy being on camera or have a specific expertise or passion they want to share. Once you start getting views and subscribers, you can monetize the channel through YouTube's native ad service, creating sponsored content, selling products, offering freelance services, or creating and selling digital or physical products. Another way is podcasting is perfect for individuals who are passionate about a particular subject and skilled in communication and storytelling. While it can be hard to grow an audience, the audience you do grow will often keep listening to you for the long term. Another way is streaming. Streaming on Twitch. Twitch is a video live streaming service that initially catered mostly to gamers and esports, but now hosts a wide variety of content. You can watch everything from Fortnite to live music to homework sessions and sports on Twitch. Some streamers even build a following simply by being themselves and talking to the camera. One of Twitch's most appealing features is that anyone can watch or create their own streaming channel for free. Lots of people stream on Twitch for fun to engage themselves more in the community. Twitch streaming can also be a lucrative side hustle, but it requires a solid marketing plan to attract and monetize an audience. Streamers who can earn through Twitch fall into two categories: affiliates and partners. Becoming an affiliate only requires a small commitment. You must get at least 50 followers and stream at least 500 minutes on 7 unique days within a 30-day period. You must also have 3 or more average viewers. Twitch affiliates earn 50% of subscriptions, often called subs, on their channel, as well as 50% of revenue from bits, which viewers can use to tip streamers. They can also promote other products and services and accept donations. Some streamers build their entire content strategy around encouraging their audience to donate certain amounts. You can also enhance your monetization potential by creating online communities with your audience's fanbase. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.